Okay, now I have another question here. I have a question that says calculate the value of x in the diagram below. Now, why is this section very important? It is very important, one, because in both senior class and junior class, this is a section they don't always skip. This is angles. Now, look at this. The question is, they say I should find x. What the major thing you just need to remember here is the theorems. Now, there is a theorem that says that, this is a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. But here, I have, instead of me to now start using sum of angles on a straight line to get this thing, which is a long process, the exam is always time conscious. So when you are practicing, you look for the shortest theorem you can use. Now, there's a theorem I'm remembering here. The theorem says that the sum of the opposite interior angle is equal to the exterior. The sum of the opposite interior angle, that means x and 60 degrees are the interior angle. Then 124 is the exterior angle. There are different ways, but this is the shortest and the fastest way. So when I have this, what will I do under this? I will come here and say x plus 64 degrees is equal to 124. When anytime you are dealing with these angles, you must state the reason. Why did I just come to say x plus 64 equals to that theorem I stated? Now I'll write it by the side. Sum of opposite interior equals to the exterior angle. If it's a theory question, if you don't state, sometimes this thing has 1 mark when we are marking. Now, what will I do? I have formed an equation. Of course, we'll come back to algebra. So I will quickly collect my like terms. So what are the like terms here? Or I will use the normal procedure, subtract 64 from both sides. Most students, when you say collect subtract 64 from both sides, they feel it's too long. But it's the same procedure of when we use this short term collect like term. So here will be x is equal to 124 minus 61 degrees, not 64. So when I have this, I'll quickly come back here and say equals to, we just do it by the side. Please, under examination condition, don't always say you know everything. You just use brain and you just look at it. You'll be careful with your subtraction. I've seen students even at examination level, they have issue with subtraction. That's why, because most of this subtraction has to do with borrowing. That's why I'm showing it. But look, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now if you see 2 minus 6, it cannot. I'll borrow from here. I'm left with 0. This becomes 12. So what will be this answer? This one will be what? 63 degrees. So the value of x in this is equals to 63. Okay, so that is what we are asked to look for. Don't forget, follow my page, like my page, and possible share your view. Give comment on the section. I will always be there to interact and respond to your questions. Okay, thank you.